Good morning, students. This is Mr. Pejatitis. Already, previous video we have discussed about hard C, use of hard C and a soft C, and I explained to you that very clearly what is hard C and what is soft C, and we have discussed two stories. One story is Sissy and Coco. Another story is about Cinderella. Okay, and I have discussed with you a little background of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. So now we will go to the story. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great teacher. He was intelligent and witty. Okay, who was Dr. Radhakrishnan? Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great teacher. Okay, as I told you that he became the president, and first of all he became vice president, then after he became president, but before that he was a teacher. Okay, so he was a teacher, not only a teacher, but he was a great teacher. You know, great. In Hindi we can say Mahan, great teacher. Okay, he was just like an extraordinary man. What? An extraordinary man. He was intelligent and witty. Intelligent means he has very good intelligent power, and witty means especially the person one who is clever, we can say them witty. Due to an excellent career as a teacher, he was invited to England. Why he was invited to England? Because he was a great teacher. At the same time, he had an excellent career as a teacher. In a simple way, we can say he was a special teacher and he was so wise than others. Okay, he was so wise than others. So that is why he was invited to England when it was the time when the British was ruling over India. We know that British people, they were ruling to India almost 200 years. They have ruled to our country. This story or this incident happened during that time of British was ruling over the India. This was during the time when the British were ruling over India. The British always criticized the people of India for their brown color. Okay, we know that the British people, they are white people, and we are some people black and brown. Okay, because of our color and because of our brown color, they were always criticizing to us. For example, in your school, if there is an ugly boy or girl, and most of the students, they criticize to him or her, isn't it? If any student is there, one who is not that much capable, okay, in studies, sometimes other students also, they criticize to him or her. But that is not good habit. Okay, when we see the student, one who is not capable, we have to help him or her. When we see an ugly boy and girl, we should not criticize, we should laugh to her or him. Okay, because he is or she is the creation of God. He is or she is the creation of God. Okay. During his visit to England, where England, okay, Dr. Radhakrishnan was invited an event by a British general. Now there was an event, okay, in a British general, okay, by a British general. So he invited there, and he went there. While talking to Dr. Radhakrishnan, the British general cracked a joke. Okay, that is a normal thing. Suppose I am invited by somebody, if I would go there, so definitely there will be a conversation, definitely there will be a talking. Like the same thing, when he entered, so in that particular place, so what happened there? So the British general and Dr. Radhakrishnan, they talked together, and the British general cracked a joke. Means he said something that for joking. What he said? That we need to know. He said that God likes the people of England a lot. This is the reason why they have white skin. Okay, he gave a joke, and through that joke he said, God loves to the British people, and due to that reason he has given them white skin. Okay, Dr. Radhakrishnan heard this. Dr. Radhakrishnan heard this joke and felt hurt by it. Okay, suppose somebody would say that you are a black boy or you are a black girl, you are not that much, indirectly, if somebody says you, definitely that will be hard to you. Isn't it? Definitely that will be hard to you. So, but here there is a great quality of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Instead of showing his anger, means in place of showing his anger, he laughed at the joke. What he did? He laughed. Though he laughed, he wanted to share his feelings without sounding angry. He also wanted to feel his feeling. He heard something, and now it is his time to reply, but he was not angry. Okay, at that moment he had an idea. So student, remember something. If somebody is saying something against you, okay, if somebody is saying something against you, you don't be angry. With very cheerfully and with very happy, you have to answer them. Okay. Now it is time for Dr. Radhakrishnan. What he says here? He said to the general and the others, let me tell you the full story. He starts. One day, God was trying to make pancake. Okay, the story is making of pancake, and God was making a pancake. So then what happened there? He put the batter in the pan and removed the pancake early. So while God was making pancake, he put there batter. Batter means that is mixing of milk and egg. Okay, that is mixing of milk and egg. Here is the now word meaning, that is a semi-liquid mix of flour, egg and milk. Okay, this is such kind of mixing, egg, milk and flour, such thing. And God put on the pancake and removed the pan before the final time. Means earlier he removed. That is why what happened there? The pancake become white. Okay, while it was still white, this is how whites were created. In this way, the white people were created. Okay, and that means you want to say that God made you. Okay, then second way, he also want to tell that God make us also. How? Dr. Radhakrishnan said that we have all come from the same pancake butter. Okay, sorry. I want to read that page number 9, second paragraph. Then he decided to give pancakes another try. This time he cooked them till they were brown in color. This is how God created the browns. Now it is very clear, we are Indian browns and they are British white. So through an example, Dr. Radhakrishnan here he explained that God made pancake mixing with batter, but earlier he removed the pan. That is why that became white, the pancake became white. But another time he made, the pancake. Now he put that on the oven till the finishing time. Till the finishing time. And when he sees that or when he has seen that the pancake became brown, then he removed from the from the oven. That means something made earlier and something made a little bit end of the time, the real requirement of the time. But one fellow made the pancake. One pancake is white and another pancake is brown. I hope you understood that point of Dr. Radhakrishnan. Now, what he says in the end time, Dr. Radhakrishnan said that we have all come from the same pancake batter. We all have come from the same pancake batter. We all have different color because of different way of making the pancakes. We have different color. Somebody purely brown, black or brown, and somebody white. We have different color because God made us in different way. That is why we have different color. But the maker is one, or the creator is one. We should not forget about that. According to this joke, he wanted to convey to them. The color of our skin has nothing to do with God's love. God is not loving us according to our colors and creeds. He is loving to us according to our deeds and according to our natures and according to our characters, etc. If you are white and you become a criminal, how God will love you? If you are a black but you are doing such a great thing, you are doing so many charity, so God will love you definitely. Everyone, including the British general, laughed at Dr. Radhakrishnan joke. When Dr. Radhakrishnan spoke the joke, so everybody laughed there. A hearty laughing was there. Not only the general, but all those persons were there. All of them were laughed. Thought this joke, the general understood what Dr. Radhakrishnan was trying to say. So, once general said something, and Dr. Radhakrishnan was a man of witty. Why he should have stopped? He also said something. He also gave the answer. See how the Indians were talented at that time when British was ruling to the India. Most of the time, the British were thinking that Indian people, they are brown color, they don't know anything, they know nothing. But see, a great man was there, one who shut his mouth by his reply. Okay. Page number 10. Just I will read for you the word meaning. Witty. The meaning of witty is clever and humorous. Clever, how we can say that, how we understand. For example, Dr. Radhakrishnan was known for being witty. Okay. Career means that is the person when he is working. The work a person does for long time. Okay. Because Dr. Radhakrishnan was teaching almost 40 years. That is not a short period, that is very long period. Such way we can say that career. Manu wanted a career as a lawyer, for example. Criticized means found mistake. Already I explained to you what is criticized. The teacher never criticized her student. Students criticized each other, but teacher never criticized to her students. Pancakes, flat cake fried on both sides like dosa. Okay, dosa, especially South Indian people. If you see the dosa, one side white and another side brown. Okay, pancakes are tasty to eat. For example, batter, that is already I explained to you. A semi-liquid mix of flour, eggs and milk. To make pancake, we first need the batter. So students, I am not going to explain question answer because already in your book you have question and answer. So that is why I would like to stop here. Thank you. May God bless you. If yet you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. Hit the bell icon. At the same time, forward it to your friends and classmates. May God bless you.